being used the another the service is called your storage account. So basically what we have done, we had created one of the language services, right? So after creating language service, we have used the storage account. Why we use the language service? To uh, analyze the sentiment analysis. For the sentiment analysis, the language service was working as a backend, and whatever be the response, the feedback which we got from the customers, which whether it is positive, whether negative, or it is neutral, so we had to store, and to store that records, what we have done, we had used the storage account, right? And for this also we have used the Python using APIs we have connected, and then after that Postman, because we were not using the front end. So except creating the front end, we were using the Postman, and then we will sending the queries and we will get the response. Was getting the response on the Azure only, right? So still so far we have learned this much, but still now, anyone have any question, concern, you can just ask me. About the course on the FICE dashboard, the course assessment at the end of the whole course on the FICE portal, is it showing zero? Even after completing assessment and the badge over the course does not appear. Okay. Uh, Kush, right? I think one C, you have completed it, right? You have completed. We will look from the backend. If it is good, if you can share your email ID, it will be the great. We will share with our development team, so they will look into this. What exactly the problem you are facing? Okay, okay. We have already passed this message to the development team. They will look into this and they will solve all this query as soon as possible. Students, your responsibility is that you have to complete the courses. You have to complete the courses. The progress, if you are not getting, it's happened sometime because the same portal is used by the many students at a single time, and because of this, it's happened. But we will look into this. No need to worry. But the things you have to just do your work, right? And also for the project submission, the sir will share you the link. I will also explain you what exactly the things which you have to do. I hope you have already received the project template in your Telegram group, right? Everyone, you have already received the project template, right? Okay, great. I will also show you what you have to do exactly. But other than, if you have any other questions, see, the doubt, uh, if you have doubt related, like, sir, I am not getting the progress and all, your responsibility is that you have to complete the courses. We will look into this. If you are not getting the progress or all, kindly complete all the courses only. Okay. Please also don't say us like, sir, I completed and I can't see the progress, even though you haven't completed, right? If you have completed, you can see the progress. You can see the progress. No need to worry about it. Other than this, anyone have any other questions? No? Okay, great. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. As you can see, this is a template which you have received in Telegram group. The other sirs already shared this template with you in Telegram group. So see, you have to fill this all information carefully, right? You have to, how can I get the completion certificate? See, Ash, as we have already mentioned, for this overall internship, at the last, you will get only one certificate. For each course and everything, you are not going to get the separate certificate for this. After completing this internship, you will get a final certificate. The only certificate will be you get after completing the internship. It will be your final certificate. You are not getting the separate certificate for the Azure, separate certificate for the Power BI and all. Are you getting this? Yes, yes. Everyone, please listen carefully. Those who are asking the same question again and again, for them, I would like to tell you, After completing this internship, you will get only one certificate. It will be your last certificate. You are not going to get the certificate for these separate courses. If you are thinking like after completing the Power BI course, you will get the separate certificate, it will not have fun. Are you getting me? After completing this internship, at the last, you will get only one certificate. Yes, but for this, listen carefully. For this, course completion is mandatory. Attendance is mandatory. Project submission is mandatory. If you are thinking we are getting the final certificate after completing the internship, it will not directly happen. We have some parameter. You have to complete all the courses which we are recommended. You have to create the project. You have to submit the project. And the third thing is your attendance is mandatory. These three parameters are very important for to get the final certificate. If you are not eligible with these three parameters, so you will not get the certificate. Yes, if you can complete it, it will be the great. But the technology, the track which you have learned, for them, you can complete the courses. The whichever be the track you have just explore still so far, for them you can just explore it. Okay. Pratik Dhunde, I think in the previous session also, other sirs also mentioned, me also mentioned, but again you are asking the same thing. The project, see, listen carefully, everybody, listen carefully. The project domain should be AI and ML. Are you getting me? Even though you can create the full stack application, but into that full stack application, there should be the AI ML implementation. It is mandatory. ML AI track is mandatory for this. You can use any technology, you can use any tools. It is a freedom for you. You have a freedom, but the project domain should be AI and ML only. Okay. Second thing, AIML project, you have to create, try to create the project. The project will be really helpful for the society. The like this project you have to create only. The project will definitely help to the society, and the project will be also make your resume strong. The type of the project you have to create. Are you getting me? Sujal, we will look into this. No need to worry about this. AI agent will be enough. No need to worry, but it should be like unique idea. It should not like just you are doing the chatting. It should do something unique than the agent which are available in the market. Are you getting? Who was asking? Aditya, I think. Aditya. Okay, AI agent is fine. No worry about it. But that AI agent should like have the functionality, unique functionality, which is not available in the market. Project means what? You have to create something on the uniqueness. There should be something unique which is not available in the market. Then your project will look powerful. Even though it is a small project, you know. Yes. Yes, disease analysis using AIML is good, but into this also you have to find out the uniqueness. If the same types of the project is available in the market, so your project will not useful, that much useful, right? So what I am suggesting you students, something unique which you have to find here. Unique. Are you getting? Okay, I hope it is clear. Now see, let's focus over here. The template. This is a template, the same template which is already shared in your Telegram group, right? So this is, see, read everything properly, because the things which we have observed, the many students are not writing their title. You have to write the project title here. The many students are writing everything. They have created whole PPT, but we don't know what the name of this project. Why? Because they haven't written or they are not able to write the title. So very important thing is that you have to write your project title. There should be the project title. If you are not writing, I will fail you. So everybody, please listen. Write the project title, because in the last like many PPTs I have seen, the students are not writing the project title. So this is not good habit, right? So you have to write the project title. Presented by, you can write your name, like presented by, then here student name, then you have to write your college name, and then in which department you are studying, and then at the last you have to write down the, you can write down your email ID. Okay, so these all things are mandatory. Then you have to attach your photo here. Now listen, the photo should be a professional photo. It is not like you are just sitting on the bike and looking somewhere and you are just uploading the photo. It should not like this. The photo should be the formal photo, like normal professional photograph you have to upload here. Don't upload any candid and that another that photo which comes. I don't know. The stylish photos. Are you getting? The photo should be a professional. Like you are just looking straight. Your eyes are straight. Your ears can be see. So something like this. The normal professional photo you have to upload. Getting? Please don't upload the photos like you are just touching to your head and looking somewhere. Please don't do that. Okay. Yes, you can do Sujal Prajapati for the co-pilot and all. Also, you can complete the courses. You can courses, because after completing courses, you will be going to learn a new things, and that things will be really help to you, and it will be useful for your future as well. Are you getting me? By 25th March, you have left, like it left the 5 days you have. So by 25th March, you have to upload, you have to complete your projects. I will tell you how you can upload. We have already shared the template. Now let's see the template. I will explain you one by one. Like the previous way, how you get it, the same way you have to get it again. But there is account, like how did you delete Sneha? How you deleted it? Try to create another one. Yes, it is a deadline. MJ mod. I don't know what is your name. Okay, so get Nirmal say, can you say check, sir? Nirmal, right now I don't have time, but after sometimes I will try it and I will update you in the next session. All courses by 25 March. Before the project submission, you have to complete all these courses. Kindly complete all these courses by 25th March only. No, no, it is not first week of the April. No, it is not like this. Before completing internship, you have to complete all the courses, and you have to complete the projects also. So before 25 March, you have to upload, you have to complete all the courses, and then you have to upload the project. You have to upload your project. Everyone, please listen carefully. Again, I am repeating the same. Again, I am repeating the same. Adarsh, the project upload feature is not available still, na?
Sir, the feature would be available by next coming Friday, coming Wednesday. So we have
Okay.
extended the timelines for the submission. It since the submission, the training will be till 30th of March. The students have time till first week of April to submit.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. So now I hope you understood, right? So now deadline has extended. You have a time, like you have to submit by first week of April. Okay. I hope now you are happy. Okay. Okay. It is in PPT format. You can convert it now. You are smart enough to convert it. Okay. I will also share you this PPT. No need to worry. But you can also convert it from PPT. You can go into the Google, you can just search PDF to PPT. It will convert it. Otherwise, I will also share you. No need to worry about this. Getting? Okay, so please see this template. You have to fill all this information. You can keep this outline as it is. Okay, so the first will be the problem statement, the proposed system solution, the system development approach, then algorithms and development, then results you can see, conclusions, future scope, and then references you can see. So here, as you can see, you have to write down your problem statement here. And please also make sure that the format which you are using in the overall PPT, the format should be same. It should not like this. The first slide have some different format, then different size, format size, and then another slide have the different format and different size. So please, I am requesting your PPT should have the same format for the all the slide, same size for the all the slide. If into this problem statement slide, you have the problem statement in this format, and it is for this format is like the whichever be the format you are using Arial. The same format should look into the another ones also. So then problem statement here you have to write the problem statement. Then after that, the proposed solution. The proposed solution is like what the things which you require. The prerequisite, how you can train your module. So everything is mentioned as per your project. You have to mention all these things here. Then the system approach, you can write down the approach sections as you can see here. Yes, it's okay. MJ Mod Mohammed, or I don't know what is your name. Sorry for the pronunciation again. The section outlined the overall strategies and the method for the developing, implementing the rental bike prediction systems. Here the suggested structure, system requirement, what the things which we required, and the library requirement to build this model. You have to mention everything over here. Then after this you have to write down the algorithms and the development. Okay, so about the algorithm development, what the things you are doing, you have to mention over here. Then results, into the result section, you have to put the images of the final output. So images is like images should be proper visible. So you can use one slide for the one image. You can add next slide for the results, and you can add the multiple images if you have the multiple outputs windows. But here you have to upload the screenshot of the output, right? Then conclusion you can write down. Then future scope of the project, you know how to write, you can write down. Then references, from where you have got that all the references that you can write over here. And the one mandatory thing is that you have to push your project on the GitHub. You have to copy the GitHub link and you have to paste here. So we need the GitHub link too. Are you getting me? GitHub link being required. So we need this GitHub link. It is mandatory. It is mandatory, and like it should be uploaded on your GitHub account. Are you getting? Don't copy each other project. Sujal, I think I have already answered your question. We are looking into this, but you are repeating the same question again and again. Sir, I have completed 20 marks of the assessment and I am not able to see the progress. No need to worry. If you have completed, now you completed means it is completed. The another part is for us, we will look into this. We will look from the back end. Your responsibility is only that you have to complete it. If it is the problem of all students, no need to worry. We will solve it. We will solve it. But you are just repeating the same question again and again. I can see it more than 100 times you are repeating it. After creating the PPT, Jeet Patel, we will share you the link. We will also guide you how you can upload it. Once the feature is live in the website on the portal, we will tell you how you can do this. Okay. So no need to worry about this. Now your responsibility is this. You have to complete all the courses and be ready with your project. Be ready with the project. When we ask you to upload, your responsibility is this. You have to just go there and you have to upload it. I will guide you. I will tell you everything, how you can upload, how you have to do, what you have to do. Everything I will tell you. Everything I will tell you. Upload format of the file will be 99% will be the PDF only. I'm not sure about the 1%, but 99% it will be the PDF only. Like the PPT you have to create and then PPT you have to convert it in the form of PDF. Like
Which is
this.
both versions, PPT and PDF, both can be supported. So
Okay.
upload, it could be a PPT or a PDF file.
Okay. So now the both will be supporting for this. Okay. No, see, one more nice question. NJ mod or I don't know. So can we use a different style for the PPT? Don't make any different style. Keep the same. Don't do that colorful PPT. The format should be same. Format should be same. If you have the more data, you can increase the slides. You can use the extra slides, but please don't try to change it. Use the same template. Use the same template. Everyone have to use this template. Because of this we have shared it. Are you getting me? There is no limit for the slide, Pujan, but are you getting? There is no limit, but it should not like you have created project PPT for the 50 slides. It should not. 3-4 slide extra you can add if it is needed. If it is needed for the results and all. I will send you the detail via email. It is a physical document that requires your signatures and I understand I will bringing you a kindly let me know the convenient time. I hope you have the I don't know max pages of the PPT. It's your choice, but the format should be same. Again, I am telling you. See, you have to create overall one project. To create this project domain, you have to create the project based on the AI and ML. For to create this project, you can use anything, any technology. If you want to use the Copilot, you can use Copilot. If you want to use the Azure, you can use the Azure. If you want to use the APIs for the OpenAI, Gemini, anything which you want to use, you can use any tools and any technology you can use. You have a freedom. You have a freedom. Are you getting me? But project should have some meaning. The project should be meaningful. Okay, is it clear now? Okay, now we are already late. Okay, I hope everything is clear for you about the project and all. The template, in the template, if you have any doubt, any question, now you can ask me. Otherwise, we are good to start our session. Yes, project can be anything. Yes, project can be anything. Yes. Vaidik, yes, project can be anything, but it should have the domain. The domain of the project should be only AI and machine learning. Are you getting me? Deployment is not mandatory. In NJ mode, the deployment is not mandatory. The last requirement is like only the requirement which we need the Git repo. But this is your choice. If you want to deploy it, you can deploy it. It will be great for you only. So you can add these all things in your resume. So it will be adding value in your resume, in your career only. So this is your choice. If you want to deploy, you can deploy. But for us, it is not mandatory. But the Git deployment is mandatory for us. The live project is not mandatory, but the project on the GitHub is mandatory. You can use the Power BI, but we will not only accepting the data analytics project. You can use the Power BI, but not only the data analytics. If you are creating only the dashboard, it will not accept it. In your project, you have some AI ML features, and with that, if you want to use the Power BI, you can go with that. This is your choice, Parth. Vivek, this is, see, you can keep your code on the GitHub other than your choice, wherever you want to deploy. Deployment is not mandatory, which I just told you, but this is your choice. If you know the deployment and if you wish to deploy your project, then you can go with this. Also, we are not putting the restriction for you. We are not restrict you. You have the open wings. But the only thing for the restriction is like you have to create project on AI and machine learning. You can create, you can go with this. Only Python backend is not accepted. Like there should be some outputs now. We should see some outputs and all, right? It is not like you have just written the simple code, backend code for the 20, 30 lines and you are just submitting. As I have mentioned, project means project. I hope you understood it. Okay, I think I have answered the most of the question, most of the queries, and I have also explained you about the templates. Okay, so now it's time to start our session. Okay, students, thank you. Thank you for queries. I hope I have solved, and the sir also answered the so many uh, questions, and now it is clear to you, right? I hope you will not again and again asking the same because we have solved most of the questions. Now again, you can note down somewhere the last date for submitting your project will be the first week of the April. The deadline for submit the project is the in the by the first week of the April you can submit. The same for the courses, but my suggestion is that please complete as soon as possible, right? To get the final certificate for the for completing the courses like Azure and the Copilot, you are not getting the separate certificate. After completing the internship, you will get only one certificate, the final certification. And the last thing for to get that certification, you need the attendance, and then you need the course completion, and then you need the project upload. These three things are mandatory for this. Okay, after this session, I will share you the PPT in Telegram group. Yeah, Harsh, you can use it. But again, the keep one thing in your mind that the project should be on AIML. So the APIs which you are going to use, that should be the AI or machine learning tools and tools APIs key, it will be the great. Neha Misri for all. No need to change the format. Don't make it colorful or something like this. For the text format and all, this is your choice. If you want to add some images, this is your choice. But flow should be look like this only. Flow should be like this and format also this only. We need this format only. If you are uploading the another format, we will not accept it. The same format we need. The same format we need. Because of this, we have shared the same format with you. If we accept with the any format, we could ask you to create the PPT only. We were not able to share it. We were not sharing with you this, right? So for this, again, I'm telling you, the format should be same. For the text and this, you can use your format. But for all these slide, the format should be same. The format should be same. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. I hope you understood now, right? Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. So I think I have answered most of the question. Uh, Again and again, you are just asking, repeating the same questions. So we are good to start our session. Okay. So guys, now what I am expecting, you have to focus in the session. So today's session, we are going to discuss about the AI Foundry, Microsoft AI Foundry. So what exactly the Microsoft AI Foundry and what we can do on the using the Microsoft AI Foundry. So basically the Foundry using what we can do, we can create the project related to the generative AI project which we can create, the all AI project which we can create using the AI Foundry, where we can see the language translators, the project related to the computer visions, where we can create the chatbots, right? we can create a different agents, right? So because of this, we are going to use this one. Right. I think this is the only intro, na? Chirag Ramchandani. What I have said, see, the AI Foundry. This is the one of the service which is by the Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft AI Foundry. So using this Microsoft AI Foundry, what we can do? We can create the different types of the agents. Okay, so many different agents are there that which we can create from the voice to text, text to voice, right? So again, we can say the image recognitions, the data extraction from the invoice, right? So document reading, then image captioning, image identification, right? And then the any, if suppose you want to create the generative AI chatbot, that also we can create. Means if you want to create the project on the generative AI, so using Microsoft Foundry, we can also create it. Okay, so using Microsoft Azure, we can create it. Then we can also create the project for the computer vision. Like you can identify the image, what are the things are there into the image, whether in this image the person, sorry for this, whether into the image the person is wearing the mask or not, whether it is wearing the mask, so whether his nose or the mouth is covered with the mask. So everything will be everything we can do using AI Foundry only. Okay, so AI Foundry is a one of the important thing for the Gen AI, agentic AI, and the RAG projects. I hope you have already learned about this, right? Because you already aware about what exactly the AI is, what exactly the ML, right? Even though into the last session I have also explained you what exactly the AI, right? And into the previous session, the topics are already taught you about the Gen AI and all things. You are aware about this. So we are not wasting the time for this because I'm considering you are already aware about it. Okay. So now, but for what we want to deploy the first module, which first module, what are you asking for? Chirag, can you just repeat it? I couldn't understood. But for that, sir, can you share the photos of the companies? Not, it is not possible, Sahil. Yeah, I created the second account in Azure, but it's not working. What should I do? Please help me out for this. See, if it is not working, means it is not freely available. This is the only thing. Sneha, if it is not working, means it is not freely available. Okay, now I hope you understood what exactly the AI Foundry is. Still so far, anyone have any doubt, any question into the AI Foundry? My dear students. Okay, no doubt. Okay, great. Thank you, everyone. Can we move ahead? Everybody, please let me know. Yes, is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Now we will explore the AI Foundry, right? So all types of the project we will see into this, like, and also I will tell you about the deployment part. Like deployment parts means what? Suppose the project which we are using here. So how we can use in our website, how we can implement or the how we can use this project in our local system. So everything I will be going to tell you, but you just need the patience for this, right? Those we will go step by step. We will cover all these concepts. We will cover all this concept. So just follow all these steps as like me. Those who are using the Microsoft Azure portal, just do things with me. And in the last session, from the last two sessions, I'm telling you, You can get the student's account, you can try this, but this is your responsibility. You have to look into this only. Are you getting me? For the student's account, you have to look into this. So you will get it and you can just complete the thing simultaneously with me. Even though after the session also you can try all these things. It will be really adding value in your career. You can add all this project in your resume and all, right? So because of this, we have to do this. Now, let's get started. So what we can do, you have to go into the search bar. Into the search bar, you have to search for the Microsoft AI Foundry. So Microsoft Foundry, here you can see this is the option which you can see. Once you search for the Microsoft AI Foundry, here you can see the option called Microsoft Foundry. The previous name for this Azure AI Foundry. So it is just changed because 6 months before it was like the Microsoft Azure AI Foundry. Now it has changed, but the functionality will be same into this. So just search Microsoft Foundry and then you can see this into the drop down Microsoft Foundry. Just click on it. Once you click on it, then here, innovate anywhere with the AI. Build the intelligence app faster using the pre-built and the custom module. Scalable infrastructure and the tools. Scalable infrastructure and the tools are developers and the data teams. Okay. So what we can do here, you can see the create the Foundry resource. Start building Foundry resource. The start building customers evaluation AI using Foundry and the view the manage all AI services. So now here, see, those two things are here, manage AI resources. But now we are not managing this AI resource. So what we will do, we will just focus on the create a foundry. Create a foundry. So just click on the create a resource. Create a resource. Once you click on the create a resource, what we can do, we can design, customize and manage AI apps and agents, right? So using AI Foundry, we can also design the AI apps. We can also customize the AI apps and we can also manage the AI apps over here. Again, now you know we have to create the instance. The subscription will be the default things here, which we can see. Then after this, what we have to do, we have to just see into the resource group. So we have to create a resource group here. Everyone's know what is a resource group, guys? Krutik, what you are asking? Okay, so at the last 15 minutes, I will ask the other search to join the session. He will be helping you with this. But now, what I am expecting, students, please focus on this session. Learn the things. These are the important. Right. This is a container, right? This is a container for our service. So which we have to create. So I will be creating. To create it again, I will tell you, you can write down any name. But what you have to do, you have to write down the name similar to your project. So it will be helping you to find it out for the next time. Right. So it will be helping you for this. Again, so I will just write down the name. So what name we have to, any name you can create. So now we are working on the AI Foundry. So I will write down the AI Foundry Resource Group, RAG, GTU. I have write the AI Foundry Resource Group for GTU. Then I will click on the OK. The Foundry is created. Then you can write down the name. Any name which you like, you can write down. GTU Foundry. Okay. So for the region, right now I am just using the East-US. This is your choice. If you want to use any another one, you can go with this. But East-US is also supporting for this. So I am just using the East-US. If the East in future, suppose we are going ahead and the East-US is not working, then what we can do, we will just come back and we will try to change it. Okay. Yes. So now we are here. The region, then East US is here. Then just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Your first project. So this is the first project. See, as you can see, the Foundry organizes development artifact into projects, containers for managing permissions, monitoring cost, and more. When you create a resource, the project is also created. This default project has more capabilities than the project that you create later. So what we will do, I am not putting other writing any other names. I am just going with this default project only. Here you can see default project name. So the project name, I am using this default name only. I am not going to create any other name. But if you want to create, you can just go and you can just create it. This is your choice. Now, just scroll down again. Then you can see the content review policy. The content review policy is the Foundry provides access to Azure Open AI modules to detect and mitigate the harmful use of the Azure OpenAI services. The Microsoft logs the content you send to the complications and the image generation APIs as well the content it sends back. If content is the flag by the service filter, it may be reviewed by the Microsoft full-time employee. Are you getting? Means what? We can't just misuse of this all service, right? There should be something meaningful. So because of this, you have to make sure all these things. Once you enter, again, just make sure that you have created the resource group. Then you have given the name for it, and then you have selected the right location. Then the second thing which we have to say, which is nothing but your default project name. The default project name is nothing but it is created project default. Then again, you have to just click on the next. Just click on the next. Then storage in the Foundry. You may upload the files, create data outputs, and store credentials when you connect to data sources and tools. In the basic configurations, these types of the data is stored directly on the your Foundry resource, but it is optional. You can choose to your own Azure storage location also. So while uploading the data, so automatically the whatever with the data, whatever with the files which we have, this data and the files will be directly going to store on the Azure Foundry. But if you think if you don't want to store that data on the Azure AI Foundry, so in that case you can create your own storage service and you can upload the data so that the data will be going to store into your storage services. Okay. But the default thing is that whatever be the document which will be going to upload, that document will be going to store on the AI Foundry storage only. Okay, this is about this. Then if we talk about the credential, the key wallet, okay. Azure Wallet. The configuration below will be the default for the all project created under the AI Foundry. You may be override the storage. Agent service. So thread, messages, development and the files are managed within your AI Foundry resource by default. Okay. Optionally integrated your own resource to see for this also. So whatever with the messages, whatever with the threads which we are doing, whatever with the files for the agent service also, the same thing will happen. So all for this, all the data will be going to store into this AI service. But additionally, optionally, if you want to add the external services, this also you can do. For the page, And the language services, it will also happen the same, right? So for the all services, for the agent, speech and language services, it will happen the same. Whatever be the document, whatever be the data which you are uploading, it will be going to store into this only. Okay, so next, I hope it is clear to everyone, right? It is clear to everyone. But option we have another storages we can also use, and we can just store all these things. Then again, just click on the next. Again, just click on the next. Okay, once you click on the next, then here the network. See, this I think you all aware about this, because every time we are just using the all networks, including the internet, can access this resource. So this should be accessed anywhere. Okay. So because of this, we have just click on the all network, including the internet, can access this resource. Okay. Just again click on the next. Identification system identify. We will grant your user identity Azure AI roles you can develop with the all projects under the this resource. Azure AI user Azure. Okay, it will be the manageable systems assigned. So the identity, everything will be assigned by the system. We need no need to create anything else. Data encryption, your data is encrypted by default using Microsoft managed keys. Means all the data is encrypted. Oh, no need to worry. You know about the tag. We are not using the tag, but it is useful, right? So what I will do, I will just click on the review and create. So review and create will be, the validate all this information which is entered by us. If all the information is valid, then it will pass it. So now, as you can see, the all informations are valid. Like you can see the subscription, resource group, name, region, default project name, key, everything is a valid. So if everything is valid, then what is our responsibility? We have to just click on the create. We will be just clicking on the create. Just click on the create. Just click on the create. Okay, so now it will take a few seconds only, and within a few seconds, our service will get created. It will get deployed. Okay. Still so far, anyone have any doubt, any questions? So you can just ask me. The same thing you have to do with me only. Kindly complete all these things with me, like me only. If you have any question, any concern, now you can just ask me. Now it is the resource is ready. Okay. Your deployment is completed. Okay, not an issue. It is completed. Then what we will do, we will just click on the go to resource. Go to resource. Just click on the go to resource. On the resource, you can see all this information here again. Everything is here, the API services, and then all things are here. Okay. So from this, the main important task is, see, you can see so many options are here, but now need to look for this option. So for this, where you can look for the build apps and agent in the Foundry. Unlock advanced AI capabilities, seamless integrations with your systems, and accelerate AI application development with the Foundry. So just click on the go to the Foundry portal. Just click on the go to the Foundry portal. Click on it and just wait for a few seconds. See, this is your Foundry portal where you can see the agents, where you can see the language translation, where you can do the things like the computer visions and all things. Okay, so we will go step by step. So after coming on this particular AI Foundry portal, the one more thing which you have to do, you have to create the AI hub for it. So how we can create the AI hub? Into the AI hub, you can see the all project like the text translations and all, the language translator and the document identification. This all types of the project you can see. So to create it, AI hub, where you can go. So you have to just go here at the top left hand side. You can see one option. The option is nothing but your Microsoft Foundry. This is the option which you can see. Microsoft Foundry. Just click on this option, Microsoft Foundry. It is not like the Ace, it is the paid. If you get the free account for the trial account and the students account, you can go with this. But this is not lifetime free. This is not lifetime free. It is a paid account. But if you get the students account, you will get the access of it. Okay. Okay, great. So now just at the left hand side, you can see the option, the Microsoft Fonte. Just click on it. Click on it. See, so keep building with the Microsoft Foundry. So we have the default project. The trainer is the project name by default. AI trainers, AI Foundry, East to West, East to West. The everything is here. The create the smarter agent with the Microsoft Foundry, which we can do, and then which we have the LLMs models. You are also aware about the what exactly the LLMs and all. So now what you can do again, once you come back on this page, once you click on the Microsoft Foundry, then you can see all these things. But also one more thing which you can see here at the right hand side. What you can see at the right hand side, there you can see the view all resources, and then after the view all resources, there you can see the create new. View all resources, and then after the view all resources, here you can see the create new. So just click on the create new. Just click on the create new. Everyone. Sorry for this again. Okay. What you have to do, you have to just click on the create new. Once you click on the create new, so here you can see the Microsoft Foundry resource, which is they are saying recommended. Unfiles the setup, management, and the access of the agent models and the tools. All new capabilities will be introduced through this resource. But what you can do, don't click here. You can just go down and click here. AI Hub resource. For the advanced scenario like the custom ML training and the open source model hosting, fine tuning, and the Azure machine learning integration. So for this, what we need? We need the AI resource, AI Hub resource. So just click on the AI Hub resource, AI Hub resource, and then click on the next. Okay. So the names, the project name, and everything will you can see a default. Just click on the create again. Just click on the create. It might take a few seconds only. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just. It is just creating. Just wait for it. Within a few seconds, it will just. Okay. See, as you can see, uh, it is created. And also, after creating this, you can see this at the left hand side. At the left hand side, there is the AI services created. The previously, this option was not enabled here. So after creating this, which we can see the things only here. But still so far, anyone have any doubt, any question, you can just ask me. Is it clear? My speed is okay? My voice is okay? The speed and everything is fine? Okay, Chirag say yes. What about other? What about other students? Are you getting na? Okay, good, good, great, great. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. So once you come here, then at the bottom you can see the option AI services. This is the option which you can see, AI services. Just click on this option, AI services. Into the AI services, so many options are here, but we will go step by steps. Okay, and the Chirag, Aditya Sharma, the Sneha, are you doing with me? How many students are doing with me? How many students got the account? Okay, Mit Sutar, Chirag. Okay, what about other? How many students are doing with me? Aditya, he's doing okay. Only 3 students, 4 students. Okay. Account problem. Okay. Sneha has account problem. Viren, acha, Viren also doing. Good, good. Acha, viral. Viral also doing. Viral writing steps. Okay. Ashwin, good. Great. Pujan, account problem. Okay. Pujan, the previously account was working. Ved Parmar, Pujan, your account was working previously. Okay, you are getting. Okay, okay. Not an issue. Just note down these steps, and then when the problem gets solved, you can just continue with this. Great. Okay, okay. Okay, not an issue. Aman Yadav, account problem. Okay, not an issue, Aman. You can just write down these steps, okay? And then you can try this after some time. Great. Nice to hear so many students are doing with us. Pujan, this is your choice. This is your choice because you have to pay. I'm not forcing you, or I'm not asking to take the paid, but this is your choice. If you want to really explore, if you think this is really enjoying, or if you are really enjoying, and if you think this is really useful for this, and if you want to make your career into this, so you can just go with this. This is your choice. I'm not forcing or like this, right? This is your choice. Okay, Release Patel also have Release, no? I hope I'm pronouncing right. Release. Okay, not an issue. Not an issue, guys. We will look into this. Okay, just note down the steps. Good. So once you click on the AI services, okay, students, the Chirag is asking if anyone have written the step for the last session. So he is asking for the steps. So you can just share with the Chirag. Ram, I think only I can only see his half name. What is his name? Something Ram Chandani or something like that. Ram Chandani. Yes. So you can just share the step with him. Okay, so guys, now let's focus in the session. So just click on the AI services. Once you click on the AI services, here you can see the speech playground. So into the speech playground, here you can see the improve speech to text, accuracy with the custom speech, generate a natural sound, natural voices with the professional, voice tuning, create a custom avatar, and more. So many options are here. So what we will do, we will just trying with this speech playgrounds. Just try with this. So what we will do, we will try. There's so many agents are here. We will go one by one with this, all these agents. So voice live agent is there. The try sample. So we have some into the voice live. Voice live we have the try with the samples, language learning, chat with the AVA learning, the compassions who assistant students in the learning English as the second language. This is for the language learning. The second one is nothing but your customer service. Talk to the Andrew and the travel agent who offers the assistant, and then casual talk. So these are the agents are available over here. So we will go one by one. So first we will go with the language learning. So for the language learning, as you can see, for this we are using the generative AI model, which is the GPT real time response, and everything act as our English teaching giving. We have just given the instruction how it will be act like this. Okay, so everything instruction and all given here. Response template and all is here. So what we will do, we will just start the conversation. I will click on the start. Hi Eva, my name is Rohit. Can you just help me to improve my communication? But before students, can you hear this voice? Are you able to hear this? No? No, okay, I will just reshare my screen. I will just reshare the screen with the sound. Resharing the screen with the sound. Please let me know again.
Hi there. My name is Ava, your English teacher today. What's your name, my dear?
Hi Eva, my name is Rohit and
Oh.
I want to learn English.
Wonderful, Rohit. We'll learn English together. Can you say, I want to learn English?
Yes, I want to learn English.
Great try, Rohit. Let's say it together. I want to learn English. Can you say that
I
again?
want to learn English.
Yes, you got it. Great job, Rohit.
Hello.
Hello, Rohit. Let's practice a new phrase. How are you? Can you say that with me?
How are you?
Fantastic, Rohit. Let's slow it down a bit. How are you? Your turn.
How are you?
Yes. Nice try, Rohit. Let's say
Eva,
it
can
together.
you, sorry Eva, I'm disturbing you. Can you teach me the Gujarati?
I'm here to teach you English today, Rohit. Let's keep focused.
But I
Your-
want to learn the Gujarati.
I understand, Rohit, but today we're focusing on English. Let's
Okay, I
say,
hope you can hear me, right? Friends, I hope you can hear this communication by ear, right? Right. So like this, the all communication will happen. But right now, see what I have done. This is specially created for the English, and it will be only helping us to learn the English. So I asked it to teach me the Gujarati, but what it said like, I can only teach you the English. So this is the one types of the agent. The agent which is specifically designed for the language translation. So now as also one more thing, as you can see here, it has converted the voice to text. So whatever be the conversation which we had, so all conversation as you can see in the form of text over here, right? This is the text. This is the conversation which you can also see here. One more thing also you can do. Another one is here, Andrew. Okay, it is Andrew.
Hi there. I'm Andrew, your travel guide. Where are you thinking of heading? Or do you need a little inspiration today?
Hi Andrew. My name is Rohit, and I'm planning to travel in the Ahmedabad in Gujarat. So can you just suggest me some places where I can visit?
Absolutely, Rohit. Starting from Ahmedabad, you've got some fantastic options close by. You could explore the stunning Rann of Kutch for its white salt desert, or head to Udaipur in Rajasthan for royal palaces and lakes. If you want something peaceful, Mount Abu offers a cool hill station vibe. For a bit of history, don't miss Champaner Pavagad, a UNESCO site. Let me know if you need more details on any of these spots.
I want to explore within a city only, within a city.
Got it, Rohit. Within Ahmedabad itself, there's plenty to explore. You can visit the Sabarmati Ashram, a key spot in India's history. Check out the intricate architecture of the Adalaj stepwell, or stroll around the old city's poles and bazaars. Don't miss the Calico Museum of Textiles for some unique heritage. And of course, try some amazing street food at Manek Chowk in the evening. How does that sound for a city adventure?
Okay,
Great.
thank you.
You're welcome, Rohit.
So I hope you can understood, right? So everything, the information which you are getting, the all informations are right, right? It is also providing you the information about the Manik Chowk, where you can go and you can eat the food and all, right? So as you can see, yes, yes. So again, I can also ask some more questions also. Like,
Hi there. I'm Andrew, your travel agent. Where are
hi
you?
Andrew. Now what I
Hey
am
there.
planning,
I'm doing
I am sorry. Now I am planning
no
to
worries at all. Take your time. Great. Where are you planning to go? And what
I
kind
am
of
planning to go Dubai for 1 week. So can you just tell me how I can travel from Mumbai to Dubai? And second thing,
Sure.
I
The
have very
easiest way.
less budget. So within a budget, how I can manage? Give me the proper budget for like around how many, the total budget, how for the 1 week, how much money I need.
For 1 week in Dubai, let's break it down. Flights from Mumbai to Dubai can be around $200 to $300 if booked early. Budget accommodation might cost about $300 to $400 for a week. Meals at affordable spots could be around $15 to $25 per day. Local transport and sightseeing might add another $100 to $200. So overall, you could aim for roughly $800 to $1,000 total for a 1 week budget trip. Does that fit your range?
Yeah, but can you please tell me in
Of
rupees?
course.
Rupees.
Sure. Let's convert that into Indian. So in Indian rupees, flights could range from about 16,000 to 25,000 rupees if booked early. Budget accommodation for a week might be around 25,000 to 33,000 rupees. Daily meals could cost roughly 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per day. Local transport and activities might add another 8 to 15,000 rupees. So overall, you're looking at around 65,000 to 85,000 rupees for a budget-friendly week in Dubai.
See, within a 1 week, it is traveling into like the money. So everything which it is shared over here. Are you getting, guys? This is the agent. Okay. So this agent is pre-built agents which we have. Yes. But it is showing like a 65 to 85, the lowest budget. Okay. Great. So like this, guys, we can get the information about everything. This is just your travel guide. Okay. So I can also change the nice. You are the voice agent. So from here, you can do the fine tuning. Your name is just go to the response.
Hi there. I'm Andrew, your friendly travel buddy. Where are you thinking of going? Or are you looking for some inspiration right now? Let's plan your next adventure together.
Hello, Andrew. Can I change your name from Andrew to Travel Buddy?
Sure. You can call me Travel Buddy if you'd like. I'm still the same helpful travel expert, ready to assist you with all your trip plans.
Yes. Okay, so students, as you can see, this is the one of the agent which is for the different domain we can create. One is for the travel. Second one is for the learning English, right? So types of the things which we can see. But is there any question for you? Any doubt? Any question? There should be the question in your mind. There should be the doubt in your mind. Is anyone have any question, any doubt related to this? Not about the functionality, but the agent which we are using about it. I am expecting you should ask some question related to this. The free, I can't say this is the free one. Okay, but if you have subscription, you can go with this. Or if you have account, you can go with this. But for this extra, you don't need to pay extra money or something for this. Okay, I will show you. The so many examples are here. I will show you side. But there might be the doubt. Like, see, the doubt I am expecting you should ask related to this. What doubt I am expecting, you know? See, right now the agent which we are using on the Azure, right? But if someone want to use this agent in your local machine, then how we can use it? There might be the doubt, na? So if someone want to use this in your local machine, then how they can use? To use this in your local machine, so what you can do, guys, you have to just go back here. Suppose the language translator. So what I will do, I will create one with the like see like this. So what you can do here, you can see, you can click on it. Once you click on it, there is an option called view code. View code. You have to click on it. The code and everything is here. As you can see, the everything is given: audio processing import. Then this is the Python code which is given. Then print language audio questioning. The code is given, right? So the simple thing which you have to do, you can just copy this code. Are you getting me? You can just copy this code. You can just copy this code. Otherwise, I have one simple code also. But for now, what we will try with this code only. Okay. It's a Python code. This is only the Python code. So I will just select all. We will just copy, but the packages should be supported for this. If it is not working, then another code which we will be look for this. But this all things imported signal threading questions, Azure AI modules in trying. Okay, just copy this. Just go on the desktop. You can just go on the desktop. You can just go on the desktop. You can create any folder which you like. Just create the folder. I'm just creating the folder. GTU voice agent. GTU voice agent. You have to create one simple folder. Once you create the folder, the same folder you have to open with the VS Code. The same folder you have to open with the VS Code. I will go into the VS Code and then will open the same folder. File, then open folder. Yeah, also you can use it, but my suggestion is that use in your local machine only. Don't use Google Colab. You can use the Jupyter Notebook instead of this. What was the name? GTU, na voice agent. GTU voice agent. You have to open it. Then you can create a like one new file. Then I can write down the voice English agent .py. We will paste all this code. See, as you can see, very big code is this. This is a very big. I think so many changes which we have to make. It will make the complication for us. But let's try. Mm. So all other libraries are here. The one thing which we have to do, we have to install this one. It should be supported. This library. Then what you have to do again, guys? You have to just open the terminal. You can open the terminal here again. Just open the terminal. From the terminal, you have to select the command prompt. Once you select the command prompt, into the command prompt, you have to write pip install. Okay. This is just an version problem, so I have just updating my PEEP. Still so far, anyone have any doubt? What we have done, we have seen the different the agents. Okay, so from that agent, which the on the AI founded, the agent which we see, the English learning agent. So that same agent we have to use into the local machine. So because of this, we are doing it. Now I will try to install it. Could not find the version that satisfied the requirement Azure AI model. No matching distribution found for the Azure voice agent. Okay. So the only problem is that the matching distributor is not found. So for this, again, what you can do, you have to download the C++. Okay, so only thing which is nothing but your C++ requirement by audio. Azure P. Okay, it is installed successfully. It is installed now, as you can see. Then again, we have to install Pi Audio. Peep install Pi Audio. Pi Audio file you have to install again. Then scroll down. If anything is required, then you have to. Acha, okay. Install the Azure Identity. Peep install Azure.identity. I hope you are also doing the same as like me, student. Okay, Azure Identity is there. Audio processing. You have to check all these things. If is there any new package which we haven't installed it. You have to check this. Just scroll down. Okay. Initial audio playback. Okay. Step audio. Everything is there. Basic voice assistant. Implementing the voice SDK pattern. What is the error into this? Try and catch. There is an error into the code. Okay, it is solved now. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Are you getting, students? Okay, I just have to copy it again. Sorry. Are you getting this? I hope you are also doing with me. Yes, proper Prashant. It is a proper syntax code is given. We can use the same code. As it is. Same code we can use. Tanaya Patel, if you have any doubt, you can just ask me. This is just a cursor problem. You want the same code? Okay, I'm just sharing the in chat only. But you also need the API with this. I don't know whether you will get the API. In chat, I am not able to paste it. What I will do, I will share the same code in your Telegram group. In the chat, the lines are like 600 lines. I think I'm not, because of this, I'm not able to share it here. So the same code I will share you in your. Okay, so I will keep this file on the GitHub and then I will share with you. Is it okay? First, I will solve all the errors and then once the code is run, then I will share with you. Okay. Okay, students. So please look into this till Supa. Here we have the some errors into the code which we have to solve. Solve. Just go up, go up, go up. Here also, this is the error. For the error, most of the error. So syntax is given into this. You have seen this. I'm just copied from the Azure only. Here is okay. Where is the error again? Where is the error? Error which we have to find out. This one. But this is the empty. Okay, this is just an empty. Here is also the error. So now all errors got solved. Yes, Prashant, I will share with you, but first I just need to run it. If the file is working file, if I check it, then I will share with you. But if suppose now I have pasted everything and if it is not working, though there is no meaning to share with you, right? First we will test in my system. If it is working fine, then I will definitely share with you. No need to worry about it, right? I will keep this on the my GitHub account and I will just share with you. No need to worry. So now it is working fine. So what I will do, I will just run this code. But before running to this, they might be asking for some APIs key or something. You have to look into this if they ask for the API and all. So the first, they are not asking here anything. Node Python develop, do not install using the existing environment variable. Okay, connect. I think by default, there is the API key in all. Audio format. Can you see somewhere it is asking for the API key? Start capturing audio, fail, run, creates, stop initializing. The speed is okay, na? Are you getting me, right? Stop audio queue. Okay, let's run, then we will see the more errors. Then we can also debug, but for the debugging, it will take more time because 600 lines means too long. Line 20. See, as we can see the error into the line 20. Oh, there is no. The no model name AI. is connected. AI voice. Module not found. There is no module. The all modules which we have installed, right? So the same code which you can use and you can just go with this, but again, this is the internal, the module issue, because sometimes see, the model which we are using, it is not supporting, but as you can see that everything is fine. This code we can use, and using this code we can just generate the audio. Okay, but right now it is not working. No need to worry. I will show you the another one also. It will be going to work. Okay. It will be going to work, but the line 34 English agent Azure.ai voice.ai input connect. There is a problem with this connect only. No model name. If I install it, as you can see everyone, good name audio format from the just wait for 8. I hope are you getting this right? Acha, your laptop is hang. Okay, no need to worry. We will look into for the. I will give you the small code. Okay, no need to worry. We will work with the small code, guys. No need to worry. No need to worry. I will give you the small code here, so we can just go with that small code only. Are you getting me? We will just go with the small code. I will just reduce it. I will just reduce it. If it is hang the computer or laptop. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Not getting that long code. I will just show you this short code, the code which we have. For this, we need some extra extra API key in and all. Okay, no need to worry about it. Just go, just go, just go, just go. I will show you the. GTU, 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 GTU. Python. Yeah. Okay, see. I will show you the easy project. Okay, as you can see, the same service, the same modules which we are using, and using same module. See, within the lace code, we are not using that big code because I think it is also hanging your system. Okay, so we will use the small one. The small one for this, you just need these two things, which is nothing but your page service and the region. Just go back to the Azure. Just go back to the Azure here. The endpoint, as you can see, this endpoint, and the key is here, the resource key. So what you can do, you have to just copy this resource key. This is the resource key, and you have to check the location, which location is here. Just copy this. Just remove the previous key, the key which we are using. You have to just remove it. The key which we are using, you have to just remove it. Just remove this key. Save this, and we will just run it.
Good morning, Narendra sir. How are you?
See, it is converted now. See, good morning, Narendra sir. How are you? I will just convert.
Good morning, students. How are you? Good morning, students. How are you?
Okay, so what we are doing here, the same service we are using. See, same API key, same everything we are using, same agent we are using, but into the local machine. So the agent, what this agent is doing, this agent is converting into text into the voice. So the text which I am using, this is the text, and this text is converted into the voice. Any text which you want to add, it will be just converting it. The another one which we have, it will be converting your voice to text. So voice to text, how it will be converted. So for this, I will be also using the same API key and the same region. Okay. So now I will just run it. As you can see, the same way I will just run through this code also. Now it is asking me to speak. Hi students, good morning. How are you? So as you can see, recognize text. Now it is asking me to speak. See, as you can see, hi students, good morning. How are you? Right? You can see the text. Now again, one more thing which you can do. Hi everyone. Hi, here we are learning the Azure. So as you can you see this? Means right? Is it done? Students, I hope you understood. Like the agent, from that all services and everything we will be get from this only. Right? So we will be getting the codes and everything. We are using the APIs key, and then whatever be the service, whichever be the service which we are using from the cloud, that all services which we can integrate with our local system. So the same things you can also integrate your website. But to integrate these all things with your website, what do you need? You need this API key now and all. Using this all, you can just use it. Still so far, anyone have any doubt, any question? Anyone have any question? Sahil, what you are saying? Is it free? If you have the trial account, then you can use it free. But actually, it is paid. Like, see, Azure is a paid. It is in your subscription for the time which you are using the service. For this particular time, it will be just. Yes, I will tell you. I will tell you. Where you seen this live kit? Raj Patel, where did you see this? Yeah, there may some token limitation. Yes, absolutely. There are some tokens. And for the free account, there is a token, and for that particular limited time period, you can only use it. But if you have paid account, so it will be charging as per your uses. For the time which you are going to use, for the time it will just going to charge you. Is it clear? Nothing, Shiraz. We did nothing. We just run this course. We have the code. We have done this from the voice to. We have done the text to voice and voice to text. So for this, what we have done, I already have the code. Okay. So we have this. What we have done, we have just copied the key and paste over here, and we have run this.
Good morning, students. How are you?
Okay, so here what we have done, here we have just converted the text to voice, and the second code which we have into this code, we are just converting voice to text. So now I am speaking to you. This all data will be converted into the text. So voice to text, now I am speaking to you, and this all data will be converted into the text, as you can see here. This is the things. There's two things only. Neha, there is no other platform like Azure. It is a unique one, na? And if you are going for the another platform, they will be more expensive than this. Is it clear? Okay. So is it clear? So voice one is done. This is the normal agent which we have seen. Now the second, as you can see, voice live. Then again another one which we have, which is nothing but your video translation. The video translation is also available. So the video translation, as you can see, this is the video which is given by this is only the platform only. What is? Push, this is your choice. If you want to go, you can go with this. Like a platform, so many platforms are there. You can say like a AWS. Then we have the IBM Cloud as well. We can't say it is a cheaper. The both are like charging the same. It is charging as per the usage. Usage means that for the time period, the service which you are using. We can't say this is the cheaper or the expensive, something like this. And the one more thing also, you have to look for the which platform is most using in the industry. Are you getting? This is the platform which is the more demanding. You know, the Microsoft products are more demanding and the more used in the. We have to see into this. Are you getting me? Yes. I hope it is clear. Right? The most usable platform. And it's have the more scope where with the third-party application, we can easily connect it. So now you can also see over here, there was like a voice live, and then after that we have the video translator. Just click on the video translator. This is a video, dub in the English with the personal voice, and then this is the original video. The original video is into the Spanish. As you can
Microsoft ha estado 25 años comprometido con El Salvador. Microsoft es hablar de innovación y es hablar del presente y futuro de El Salvador. Son 25 años y contando los que, como marca, Microsoft ha logrado cumplir con cada uno de sus objetivos en el país.
Nos apoyamos muchísimo en su liderazgo, en su tecnología de punta y en su innovación continua.
Microsoft le permite a Nico ser parte de un ecosistema tecnológico a nivel mundial.
Más que un aliado para nosotros.
Okay. So now this video is in the Spanish. So now it is converted into the English.
Microsoft has been committed to El Salvador for 25 years. Microsoft stands for innovation and represents the present and future of El Salvador. It's been 25 years, and as a brand, Microsoft has achieved each of its goals in the country.
We rely heavily on their leadership, cutting-edge technology, and continuous innovation.
Microsoft allows Nico to be part of a global technological ecosystem.
more than an ally
To
to
one
us.
transfer from one language to another, it is converted. Also, pre-built voice is also there.
Microsoft has been committed to El Salvador for 25 years. Microsoft stands for
As
innovation.
you can see, this is the pre-built voice of this, and this is the with the personal voice. The two things.
Microsoft has been committed to El Salvador for 25 years. Microsoft stands for
You
innovation
can
and
convert it in
represents
any
the
language.
present
Chirag. You
and
can
future
convert
of
it
El
into the
Salvador.
Gujarati as well.
It's been 25
To convert it, see, if you have video, can you just share with me? Actually, I don't have any video. See, to change the language, get started here, you can see. If you want to change your own video for that particular language, then what you can do, you can see this option, my video, just go into the my video. After going into the my video, here you can see the option called upload video. Upload video, just click on the upload video. And if you have any video in your system, you can just select it. Okay, suppose I have this one video. Don't have access. So the language from here to I can just convert into the Gujarati as well. Gujarati. See, the Gujarati Indian language is here. Click on the checkbox. Click on the checkbox. Okay, the name of the speaker is already there. Okay, not an issue. Pre-built natural voice which we have to use because we don't have the access for this own voice. Not an issue. We will create, click on the create, but the file size exceeded limit of the 500 MB reduce. Okay, the file size, the file is bigger. So what I will do, I will select the another one. Another one is this. I will try with this. Then again, this is actual original language is English and I will convert it into the Gujarati. Click on the create, but it might take a few minutes or the few seconds for this. So once this is done, I will show you. It is just getting uploaded. Once it is get uploaded, then it will process on this. And it will convert into the Gujarati. Any language which you want in the world, the languages which people can speak, the official languages, in any language it can convert. Okay, it can convert into the any language. Is it clear? Is it clear? So still so far, anyone have any doubt? So from the morning, what we are seeing, we are just looking for, or we are just learn about the AI Foundry. This is just a basic feature, but into the AI Foundry, so many things are here, and the one by one and the step by step, which we have to explore, and we will be exploring all these things. Okay, so just wait for this. It will just convert it into this. Just wait. It is just loading. So many features are here. Then one by one, we will also see all these features. Also, the documentation part is also here, which we can be just like what we can do with which we can connect with our websites and all also. Okay. Still so far, anyone have any doubt? You can just ask me, student. So you can just ask me. Okay, so now video is ready. We will just play the video. As you can see, I will click on it. We have converted into Gujarati, right? This is the original video. First, we will look for the original. Okay, we will play the. See, first we will play the original video. First, we will play the original video. Just wait for this.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Which class you are studying?
I'm studying in 10th standard. My name is Gayatri Mohan.
10th standard.
Yes, sir.
Next year, what subject you will take?
I wish to take Biomax.
Why bio?
I'm interested in biology and...
Biology, or you want to become a doctor?
My ambition is to become... I want to study more on aerospace engineering.
You are become a life scientist, right?
Yes.
Very good girl. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, this is one, and now we will see for the translated video. Just wait for the translated video.
સાંજની શુભકામનાઓ સર.
સાંજની શુભકામનાઓ. કયા ધોરણમાં છો?
નામ ગાયત્રી મોહન છે અને હું 10મા ધોરણમાં છું.
10મું ધોરણ.
હા સર.
આગામી વર્ષમાં કયા વિષય લેશો?
મારે બાયોમાથ્સ લેવું છે.
શા માટે બાયો?
મને બાયોલોજીમાં રસ છે અને
બાયોલોજી પસંદ કરશો કે ડોક્ટર બનશો?
મારું લક્ષ્ય એ છે કે હું એરોસ્પેસ એન્જિનિયરિંગ વધુ શીખવા માંગુ છું.
તમે બાયોલોજિસ્ટ છો?
હા.
ખૂબ સારી છે. ઠીક છે.
આભાર સર. સાંજની શુભકામના.
It right in the right. I hope you understood, right? Is it a right language? It is a Gujarati only, right? Yes, it is a Gujarati, right? The proper Gujarati, right? So it is converted into this, as you can see. Also, we can convert it into the Hindi, any language which you like. You can not proper but right. Okay, not proper but right. Okay, not proper but right. Yeah, but the Gujarati people can understood, right? So we can also convert it into the Hindi. Okay, let's try for the Hindi. Let's try for the Hindi. Let's try for the Hindi to convert it. Just my videos. Then again, I will upload the same video. Same video. Then the same. Not Germany. This time we will be converted into the Hindi. Hindi, stick and just click on the create. Let's see for the Hindi. There is a Hindi also, na Shiv Patel. See na, I have selected the India Hindi. Can't you see in your system? Don't you see in your system? Okay, just wait. It is just getting free. Oh, what happened? Reduce. I think the file size is right, na? Okay. Let's wait for this. It will be also getting converted into this. Then we will, okay, so for the next session, we will see this. Still so far, anyone have any doubt, any questions? So you can ask me. It is just converted into this. You need, see, if suppose you are getting the code from here, if you want the reference code, so without the paid, you cannot get it. What happened, Chirag? Achha, no doubt you are saying. If you have any doubt, any question, students, you can just ask me. Ask me. Any question you have, you can just ask me. So the AI Foundry is not done yet, as we have to create the chatbot also. These are just an agents, which we have seen about. So we have to create our chatbots and all. So many things are here which we have to complete it. Are you getting me? So we will doing this all step by step. Okay, so now it is also converted into the Hindi. You already know the original video, so we will be directly look into the
शुभ संध्या सर.
शुभ संध्या. किस कक्षा में हैं?
मैं 10वीं में हूँ. मैं गायत्री मोहन हूँ.
10वीं कक्षा.
जी सर.
अगले साल आप कौन सा विषय लेंगी?
मैं बायोमैथ्स लेना चाहती हूँ.
बायो क्यों?
मुझे जीव विज्ञान में रुचि है और
जीव विज्ञान या आप डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हैं?
मेरा लक्ष्य है कि मैं एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग पर अधिक अध्ययन करना चाहती हूँ।
आप जीवन वैज्ञानिक हैं, है ना?
जी।
अच्छी लगी है। ठीक।
धन्यवाद सर।
You can also try. It is working for you. Those who are using this, it is working for you. Also, you will get the reference code, but this reference code is only the reference which you cannot directly put. You can implement with the web application. This is just a reference. So many things which you have to need, you cannot directly copy and the paste to the on the VS Code, right? So for this, you need the front end, back end, the proper framework which you have to use, and then you can go with this. Otherwise, you can't. So this is the reference code you can also use, but the full development you should know, and then you can just implement it. Okay, you have no video, but it is working. Okay, great. What about other students? Is it working for you also or not? Yes, great. Great. Okay, no doubt. If you have any doubt, we have still 2 minutes left. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. We will be just continue with this AI Foundry only. We will be continuing with the AI Foundry because the so many features are here, and if we get the enough time at the last, then we will be exploring the Cosmos DB. If we don't get the time, then we will just let it. I hope you understood, you enjoy the session. You are learning something interesting, something unique, right? You can add all these projects which you have created. You can add all these projects in your resume. So it will make your resume strong. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. From the 1 to 3, please join the session on time. Now we are taking the lunch break. At one, please join the session on time. Then we will be